What's wrong with my car?
I can fix anything.
Ready?
Say what it's for, maybe. For Locks of Love or
what are you
whatever.
doing?
I'm cutting my hair for Locks of Love.
And how can anybody else do this? I mean, anybody with long hair can do this?
Yeah,
And
anybody.
And then what, you mail it in, or is there a place like locally here that you can
No,
do
you
that?
have to go online and mail it in.
Okay, and what happens? They make
They make wigs for people who have cancer.
Huh, very good cause. Thank you for participating.
You're welcome.
All right, let's do this. Okay, so we got it close to your head as we can. Okay. There it comes. You close enough on this?
That hurts.
I'm sorry.
You pulled my hair!
I'm trying not to. I just want it to be semi-straight. Okay, whoa, now,
Durham.
don't move. Okay, let's try not to disturb your hair.
For sure it feels really weird.
And it looks pretty cool. Okay, so